Coming at you from Tokyo, Japan, my name is Dave and this is my Toyota Altezza. Okay, I have to record what happens when I do this because I think it's going to rain in the engine bay. No, it didn't. It did the other night though. I think I need to drill some holes in the edge so that any water that goes in there gets, could drip out. People often ask me why did I bother going with a filter? And the reason is, if we look around the engine bay, I drove this car in the rain once. See all this sand and gravel and shit? This is on the highway, driving once. It was clean. All of that would have gone into the engine. Like it's all on here too. It's everywhere. All this dust. Here we go. That was clean before I left. Drove on the highway in the rain once. So yeah, that's why I run a filter. So what are you doing today, Dave? Well, when I got the car back from the tuners, they said that they had to adjust the screws on the back, here, here, and here, because the ITBs were out of sync. I asked them if they used the flow gauge, and they said no, they don't have one at the shop, and I explained that I have one in the car. There's one right here. Okay, so there's a flow gauge. Even has an adapter so that you can do it with the trumpets on. Okay, so because I have one of these, and because I'm meticulous, I know that these were balanced. I'll show you the results of them balancing the ITBs without one of these. Pretty shocking, really. So I need to put these things back in balance using this, but I also need to make sure that they output the same amount of map after I'm done as they do now, otherwise the tune is going to be kind of funky. So I need to warm the car up, record what it does at idle, aircon off, everything like that, just sitting here at temperature, what map values do we get? Then put this on and then adjust the screws so that I end up with them balanced and the map reading is the same. It's probably a good time to clean in there as well because there's a bit of shit. Needs some alcohol. Not for drinking, for cleaning. I met this guy at Auto Salon and he gave me this, so I hung it in the Altezza. Eesh. Okay, so we're sort of between 84 and 87 here, and we've got that much of the RPMs. Just have to wait until it warms up. The gurgle you can hear actually comes from the catch tank. See that? It's wet in there. Probably condensation. Let's have a look. What have we actually got? Okay, so we've got 7, 5, 2, and 2.5. So as you can see, they're not balanced, and they need to be. Honestly, I could probably do it now because these are the same results I got when it was hot. I need to wait until at least I'm 75 degrees because that's when the warm-up enrichment turns off. We're at 73 degrees and got 53 to 56 of the KPAs for map. AFR is 13.8 to 14.2. So I just noticed something interesting. Okay, I'm getting 13.4 to 14. Now if I gently press the accelerator pedal, and then gently release it, you can see what my AFRs do. I'm at 15, 16, 17. Okay, at 15 to 16. Now if I snap it closed, back to 14, 13. So it is what I said all along, and there is binding in there somewhere. I don't know where. The cable's fully lubed, stock pedal. I do think it's in the ITB mech. I always thought that the fourth throttle was sticky. I mean, that confirms that. I wonder if I can do it at the ITBs without, you know what, don't. Just fix what you do, stay on what you're doing. Does it record 0 TPS when I do that dumb shit? Okay, off the pedal very gently. Oh yeah, we're at 0 TPS. But it's not like it's getting more air than 0 TPS should be giving it. Give it a kick, goes back down to 13.6 or whatever. Okay, it's doing its stupid shit. Now I'm going to go manually move the throttle wheel. Whoops, the wrong way. Move it the wrong way. Yep, good job, jackass. Yeah, well, I mean, that fixed it because I snapped it the wrong way. So let's try that again, because I'm an idiot. There we go, it's doing its dumb shit. 15, 17, 16. Okay, try this. So I'm trying to move it back that way, and it's not moving. Did it fix it? It did not, which means it's not connected to the pedal. Okay, that ridiculous shit aside, we're at 87 degrees, we're at 50, around 50, 40, 49 to 52, I think. 48 to 52. So if I can mimic that after I've messed with the balance, then I should end up with the computer not caring, but probably idling better. She idles a bit lumpy. So you can see I'm still just over 7 here. 5, like 1.5, and 2. See, I can't just do this. I need to go get the computer because I need to know precisely what RPM we're at as well, because adjusting these is going to raise the RPM. I need to know what that is so that I can return it to that as well. So it's adjust these so they're balanced and the map and RPM are the same as they are now. Shoot me. So I'm on the idle screen, map is bouncing around 50. All right, so if I get to 50, I'll be good, I think. And our RPM is between 960 and 980, I would say. Okay, so I'm going to aim for that. There should be no doubts in your mind that this would be easier if I didn't have this on. You need a 2mm Allen key and a 7mm spanner to do this. Crack that loose, and crack foot loose. That's a movie joke. Now give it a pop. Give it a pop. It's returning to where it should be. Okay. I'm going to turn this one down. Oh wait, you can't turn this one down because this is going to be... This is turned down with the actual idle screw. What the... What are you doing? Why have you done that? It crashed. PC link crashed. Would you, I don't know, connect or something, please? So fiddly. Bang here. Bang here. Yep. Those are pretty perfectly balanced. Look at our map reading now. It's not moving around at all. Bang on 47. I think we're good. It's just, you got to balance your ITBs, mate. So I need to put these back in balance, but I need to make sure that they put out the same map value or manifold and absolute pressure or whatever the f it is. So I need to put these things back in balance.